In a chemical reaction, bonds need to be broken and new bonds need to form. Energy must be supplied to break bonds. Breaking bonds is therefore endothermic. Energy is released when new bonds are formed. Building bonds is therefore exothermic. So in an exothermic reaction, the energy released by forming bonds is greater than the energy needed to break the bonds. In an endothermic reaction, the energy used to break the bonds is greater than the energy released by forming the new bonds. You need to be able to calculate bond energy. You will be given a table that looks like this. Let's go through a worked example. Calculate the energy change for the following reaction. H2 plus Cl2 forms 2HCl. Step 1. Calculate the energy required to break the original bonds. So we'll start with H2. If you look in the table, to break a H2 bond requires 436 kilojoules per mole of energy. And now we'll do Cl2. To break this bond, it requires 243 kilojoules per moles of energy. Add these together. So 436 add 243 to make 426 plus 243 equals 679 kilojoules. It takes 679 kilojoules to break the original bonds. Now we need to calculate the energy transferred by forming the new bonds. So the new bonds are HCl. So to form a HCl bond, we look in the table. It takes 432 kilojoules per mole. There are two of these, as we can see here. Therefore, we need to do another one. We can then add these together. So 432 add 432 equals 864. So it takes 864 kilojoules to form the new bonds. We now need to work out the overall change in energy. So the energy that we worked out to break the bonds from the first part was 679. And the energy from the second part that we needed to form the new bonds was 864. So we want to do energy to break the bonds minus the energy to form new bonds. So that would be 679 take away 864, which gives minus 185. Because it's negative, it means it's an exothermic reaction. You have now learnt about how to calculate the bond energy. You will find a summary of this information below. Make sure you test yourself using the quiz on reviseitright.com. Why are we the best revision website out there? Well, because we have it all in one place. Revision notes, summary videos, longer, more detailed videos for topics you're struggling on, exam question walkthrough videos where qualified teachers take you through the perfect answers to exam questions, worksheets, quizzes, computer marked exam questions, interactive flashcards, forums, the ability to keep track on where you are using our tick list, and so much more. But that's not all. We run at least 3 live lessons a week, and closer to exam time, this will be more, where you can tune into a qualified teacher teaching lots of different topics each week. The lessons will be interactive, and we go through exam questions and quick quizzes to ensure understanding as you go. We also run drop-in sessions where you can drop in, ask a tutor anything live, get the answer that you need, and leave. These are included in our silver and gold membership. This means that for an extra £10 a month, you can access at least 12 hours of lessons a month. That's under £1 an hour, which is incredibly cheap. Still not convinced? Try us completely free for 7 days and cancel anytime, completely free of charge. We offer this because we're convinced that you'll love us. So try us now.